Hey guys, a quick short to show you my studio and what I'm working on currently. This is a Witcher picture, Witcher fan art for the Witcher Valentine's Booze Nose event. So this is POV of my art studio. I've got my books and my men. And Mickey and Minnie are here. So yeah, this is my chaotic art studio with all my polychromo pencils on my Derwent and my big tub of a hoo-hoos down there. So yeah, this is my usual setup for my studio. It's chaos, but I love it. And this is what I'm currently working on my older man skin textures. This is a fanfic of Yaskia, who's actually still Julian at this point, at Oxenford University, and that's his poetry professor, my OC. So yeah, currently working, currently busy, very busy. And if you come and follow me on my Twitter, that's my Twitter, Curiosity Box, you can see exactly what I'm doing right now. And catch you later, guys. Yay!